Mikhampet. These are my team members, Millie from Science class, Varun from Science. Overwatering and underwatering can harmful for the plants. The plant have poor growth. Maintaining the right moisture level is essential for healthy plant growth. To address this problem, overwatering and underwatering, we propose one solution, that is soil moisture sensor automatic plant watering system. The soil moisture sensor detects the moisture content in the soil. The soil is too dry. The microcontroller waters to the plant. Ensure plant get the right amount of water. This can be applied in our home gardens, home plants and lawns, agriculture, reduce labors and water wastage.
This system also helps to save water and reduce wastage. This project is simply and effective way to use the practices and make gardening smarter, helping plants grow cleaner by conserving resources, prevents overwatering, protect plants from diseases caused by excess water, avoids underwatering, ensures plants get enough water for proper growth, cost effective, safe, affordable for small scale and large scale use. Save time and effort by eliminating manual watering, prevent water wastage, making it eco-friendly, protect the plants from overwatering or underwatering, can be used in gardens, farms and indoor plants.
This project improves plant care, converts and promotes sustainable practices. This project integrates the platform for monitoring and control, adding weather prediction data to optimize water usage patterns. This project not only helps individuals, farmers, but also contributes to a large